In this video, discover essential rice cooker hacks that everyone needs to know. From cooking different grains to preparing one-pot meals, we'll explore various tips and tricks to help you make the most of your rice cooker. Watch till the end to revolutionize the way you use this kitchen appliance and simplify your cooking routine. So let's go. The Aroma Digital Rice Cooker, Model ARC 914 SBD, stands as a versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify the cooking process while ensuring delicious and perfectly cooked rice every time. With its sleek stainless steel exterior and advanced functionalities, this multi-cooker serves as a must-have addition to any modern kitchen. Key features of the Aroma ARC 914 SBD. Boasting a capacity of 4 cups uncooked or 8 cups cooked rice, the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker offers ample space to prepare meals for small to medium-sized families. Additionally, it doubles as a steamer, allowing users to effortlessly steam vegetables, meats, and seafood simultaneously while cooking rice, enhancing convenience and efficiency in the kitchen. Capacity and versatility. The Aroma ARC 914 SBD caters to various culinary needs with its multifunctional design. Whether you're cooking rice, steaming vegetables, or preparing one-pot meals, this cooker delivers exceptional results every time. Its compact 2-quart size makes it ideal for space-conscious kitchens without compromising on performance. Design and build quality. Crafted with a durable stainless steel exterior, the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker not only exudes elegance but also ensures longevity and durability. Its sleek design seamlessly integrates into any kitchen decor, while the sturdy construction guarantees years of reliable service. Digital control panel and settings. Equipped with a user-friendly digital control panel, navigating through various cooking options is a breeze. The multi-cooker functionality allows for effortless meal preparation with pre-programmed settings for rice, soup, stew, and more. Whether you're a novice or seasoned chef, achieving culinary perfection is made simple with the Aroma ARC 914 SBD. Efficiency and time-saving benefits. Featuring rapid cooking technology, this rice cooker significantly reduces cooking time, allowing you to enjoy your favorite meals faster. Moreover, its automatic keep warm feature ensures that your food stays at the perfect serving temperature until you're ready to indulge. Ease of use and maintenance. Say goodbye to complicated cooking processes with the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker's intuitive one-touch operation. Cleaning up is a breeze thanks to the non-stick inner pot, which prevents food from sticking and facilitates effortless cleanup after every use. Customer reviews and satisfaction. Customers rave about the performance and convenience of the Aroma ARC 914 SBD, with many praising its user-friendly interface and consistent cooking results. Whether it's fluffy rice or perfectly steamed vegetables, this rice cooker delivers on its promises, garnering widespread acclaim from satisfied users worldwide. Comparison with other rice cookers. When compared to other rice cookers on the market, the Aroma ARC 914 SBD offers exceptional value for its price point. With its robust features, versatile functionality, and superior performance, it outshines competitors in both quality and efficiency. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Aroma Digital Rice Cooker, Model ARC 914 SBD, emerges as a top-tier kitchen appliance that combines versatility, efficiency, and convenience in one sleek package. Whether you're a busy parent, a culinary enthusiast, or someone looking to streamline meal preparation, this multi-cooker is sure to elevate your cooking experience to new heights. Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned. Please subscribe.